Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us for Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. I'm Jessica Morales. Up first, results of the largest U.S. offshore lease sale to date in terms of acreage offered show oil and gas companies are still investing in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico, with the number of bids up compared to last year as market conditions improve. Preliminary statistics released by the U.S. Bureau of Ocean Energy Management showed Lease Sale 250, which offered drilling rights to nearly 77 million acres in the Gulf of Mexico, attracted about $124.8 million in high bids from 33 companies. That actually only equates to 1% of the 14,431 blocks made available, so there is plenty to bid on. In A&D news, Steve Chasen, the former CEO of Occidental Petroleum, will use the $650 million his blank check company raised to form a pure-play South Texas operator in a $2.6 billion partnership with Intervest. Chasen's TPG Pace Energy Holdings will carve out Intervest's Eagle Ford and Giddings Field Austin Chalk assets in South Texas to create a new company called Magnolia Oil and Gas, which will trade on the New York Stock Exchange. Magnolia's assets will consist of Intervest's 359,000 net acres in South Texas. The position includes about 14,070 net acres in Karnes County, Texas, and 345,000 net acres in the Giddings Field. Pioneer Natural Resources recently made headway on its goal of becoming a Permian pure play with an agreement to sell a portion of its Eagle Ford assets to Sundance Energy Australia. Sundance said it had agreed to acquire Eagle Ford assets from Pioneer and its joint venture partner Reliance Industries for $221.5 million. And finally, the EIA reported U.S. gas exports beat imports for the first time since 1957. The EIA projects that growth in pipeline exports to Mexico as well as LNG export capacity will keep the U.S. as a net exporter of gas every month through the end of 2019. That's it for this week's headlines. You can find all of the stories I've mentioned and more at oilandgasinvestor.com. I'm Jessica Morales. We'll see you next week.
To stay up to date on the most recent Hart Energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.